Side hustle ideas to earn money quickly. In the chain of making money at home fast, there is another video on this topic. We welcome our viewers on our channel and thanks them for their subscriptions and likes, which motivate us to make much more videos. This video revolves around side hustle ideas to earn money quickly. You will find 10 incredible ways to generate side income that will easily fit with your schedule. Let's dive in. Number 1. Some online surveys paid you. We see videos and in between an online survey pop up that asks some questions regarding given options, but those surveys don't pay. But some numerous companies and brands want to know what their users think about products. For that purpose, they conduct an online survey. Companies like Junkie and Swagbucks organize surveys and pay the person who actively participates in them. Though this amount is not enough to pay your rent, this may make your weekend happier. Number 2. Give transcription services. A transcriber converts an audio or video file into a Word document. For this purpose, you have to dig out clients from freelancing sites like GoTranscript, Rev, or Transcribini. Clients share with you their files, which could be audio notes, phone calls, videos, or legal process recordings. If you think you are a good voice catcher and excellent typist, then work on this side hustle. If you get this work, you can set your time accordingly. 3. Some apps and websites pay for the test. A good website never takes time to load. Similarly, a good app doesn't hang while using more than one option. How they see their website or app is classic enough. Such app developers and website makers hire the service of testers who test every single option to make sure it will not trouble the users. And they paid the tester a handsome amount for this test. So being an app or website developer in the office for full time, you can side hustle the amount from this test. Probe in the gig produced by websites like User Testing, UTest, UserCrowd, and Userlytics. There are tons of such resources. You might not believe it, but these sources can pay you $100 for a 60-minute test. 4. Digital product seller earns enough amount. As the earth is moving towards the digital side, people make online apps and sell them. These apps are non-physical assets that can be sold in the digital sphere. Digital gadgets like MP3s, videos, templates, and PDFs. Musicians can also sell their music. In terms of selling digital products, a graphic designer earns more than others because the world is always searching for new fonts and designs. You can make sound effects, digital templates, educational materials, and free audio files. 5. YouTube channels paid you. We know YouTube has billions of users whose watch timing is 250 million hours in a day. People earn a lot of money from a pool of subscribers and watchers. Though it takes time to build a big audience if you choose the niche, topic of your channel right and monetize the channel properly, then it becomes easy to side hustle through this. 6. Become a dropshipping businessman. Dropshipping means you promote some brands and sell products and get a commission. The supplier of that product will drop the product at the buyer's doorstep. This business is trending now, so be part of it and generate revenue. 7. Side hustle through affiliate marketing. You promote products through your content in such a way that consumers are convinced and land on the page of sellers from your site. People write product descriptions in such a way that consumers are impressed and buy those products, and an affiliate marketer gets a commission of 2% or 3%. Amazon and Uber are renowned sites that offer writers the chance of earning money through affiliate review writing. 8. Make money by posting blogs on Substack. Blogging is a full-time business, but for side hustle sites like Substack give the opportunity. You post your blog on this site and get paid on a monthly basis as per the number of subscriptions. 9. Deliver packages. If you don't like any of these ideas, then go for delivering packages part-time. It will also give you enough money that you can use on weekends. I like delivering packages like groceries, odd, and other stuff so that I can get an extra tip from the consumer. 10. Rent your home. If you're an owner of a big house, then don't make any effort to make a side hustle except keep paying guests or rent a home. It gives you a very good side income. People also rent single rooms to make a little amount. Coming to wrap with that side hustle to make money is required, and these methods are effective for now and for the next year. New viewers like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos.